Welcome to the future. Have you ever imagined a world without physical objects? Imagine reading a book without paper. Imagine watching a movie without a disc. This is the power of digital. Digital products are changing our lives. They are easy to use and offer endless possibilities. Digital products are not just for techies, they are for everyone. Whether you are young or old, tech-savvy or not, digital products are designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Digital products closer than you think. You use digital products every day. They have seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. That's right, from checking emails on your phone to listening to music online, you are already experiencing the digital world. Every time you stream your favorite songs or podcasts, you are engaging with digital products. Think about the apps you use, the games you play, even the online courses you take. These digital products are designed to make your life easier, more enjoyable, and more productive. They cater to a wide range of needs and interests, from entertainment to education. These are all digital products, readily available at your fingertips. Whether you are using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, these products are just a click or tap away, providing instant access to a world of information and services. But what exactly are digital products? They encompass a broad spectrum of items and services that exist in the digital realm. They are intangible goods, created and distributed electronically. Unlike physical products, you can't touch or hold them, but their impact is profound and far-reaching. They exist in the digital realm, accessible through your computers, smartphones, and other devices. This accessibility means you can use them anytime, anywhere, breaking down the barriers of time and location. They offer incredible convenience and flexibility, transforming the way we live, learn, and play. Digital products have revolutionized our lifestyles, making it easier to stay connected, informed, and entertained. From online banking to virtual fitness classes, the possibilities are endless. Imagine exploring new worlds through virtual reality, or learning new skills through interactive online platforms. The future of digital products is bright and full of potential. They are not just limited to personal use. Digital products are also transforming industries from healthcare to education, making processes more efficient and accessible. Businesses are leveraging digital products to reach new customers, streamline operations, and innovate. The digital economy is growing rapidly, and digital products are at the heart of this transformation. So, the next time you use a digital product, take a moment to appreciate the technology and creativity behind it. These products are closer than you think, shaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Embrace the digital world and discover the endless possibilities it offers. The future is digital, and it's closer than you think. Busting the myths: digital products decoded. Many people hesitate to embrace digital products. They worry about the complexities of technology or fear the unknown. The idea of navigating through digital interfaces can be daunting. Some believe digital products are too expensive or difficult to use. They think that mastering these products requires a steep learning curve. But these are just myths. The reality is quite different. Digital products are often more affordable than their physical counterparts. When you compare the costs, the savings are clear. Think about it: no printing costs, no shipping fees, no need for storage space. These savings add up quickly. Plus, many digital products are available for free or at a fraction of the cost of physical goods. This makes them accessible to a wider audience. Once you get the hang of it, using digital products can be incredibly convenient and user-friendly. There are countless resources and tutorials available to help you get started. From video guides to online forums, support is just a click away. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is instant access. You can download and start using them immediately, without waiting for delivery. Digital products are also incredibly versatile. You can use them on multiple devices, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Sharing digital products is easy too. You can share them with friends, family, or colleagues with just a few clicks. Embracing digital products can empower you, making your life more efficient and connected. So don't let myths hold you back. Dive into the world of digital products and discover the benefits for yourself. Digital adventures, a world of possibilities. Imagine a realm where the boundaries of reality blur, and the only limit is your imagination. Step into a world of limitless possibilities with digital products. From the moment you put on a VR headset, you are transported to new dimensions, where you can explore, create, and experience like never before. Explore a vast library of ebooks, instantly downloadable to your device. Whether you're a fan of fiction, non-fiction, or anything in between, there's a book waiting for you. Imagine having an entire library at your fingertips, accessible anytime, anywhere. Watch the latest movies and TV shows from the comfort of your home. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with crowded theaters. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy high-quality entertainment on your own schedule. Learn new skills with online courses or unleash your creativity with digital art tools. The internet is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering courses on everything from coding to cooking. And for the artists, digital tools provide endless possibilities to bring your visions to life. The digital world offers something for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, background, or interests. There's a digital product designed to enhance your life. Whether you are passionate about photography, music, gaming, or anything in between, there is a digital product waiting to be discovered. Dive into the world of digital photography and capture stunning images, or explore music production software to create your own tunes. Gamers can immerse themselves in expansive virtual worlds, while others might find joy in digital scrapbooking or virtual fitness classes. The possibilities are truly endless, and the adventure is just beginning. Imagine carrying an entire library in your pocket. With digital products, this is now a reality. Ebooks allow you to access thousands of books anytime, anywhere. No more heavy books to carry or shelves overflowing with paperbacks. Digital products offer unparalleled convenience. They are instantly accessible, eliminating the need for physical storage or transportation. Whether you are traveling the world or simply relaxing at home, your digital products are always just a click away. Digital products provide endless opportunities for learning and personal growth. Online courses offer the flexibility to learn new skills at your own pace, from the comfort of your home. Educational apps make learning fun and interactive for kids and adults alike. The digital world empowers you to explore new interests and expand your knowledge base. With a wealth of information and resources at your fingertips, you can continuously learn, grow, and evolve in the digital age. Section 7. The joy of ownership. Digital products are yours. Owning digital products is just like owning physical goods. Once you purchase a digital product, it is yours to keep and enjoy. You can access it anytime, anywhere, without worrying about it getting lost, damaged, or stolen. Digital products offer a sense of ownership and pride. You can build a personalized digital library, curate a collection of online courses, or showcase your digital art portfolio. A world without boundaries. Access anytime, anywhere. Imagine accessing your favorite books, movies, or music from anywhere in the world. With digital products, geographical boundaries disappear. You are no longer limited by physical location or time zones. Digital products offer unparalleled freedom and flexibility. Whether you are traveling for business or pleasure, you can stay connected to your digital world and access your favorite content with ease. Embracing the digital revolution. Take the leap. The digital revolution is here, and it's time to embrace the endless possibilities it offers. Don't be afraid to explore the world of digital products. Start with something familiar like downloading an ebook or trying out a new app. The digital world is constantly evolving, offering new and exciting products and experiences. By embracing digital products, you open yourself up to a world of convenience, affordability, and limitless possibilities. Ready, set, digital. The future is digital. Are you ready to join the journey? Embrace the convenience, affordability, and limitless possibilities of digital products. Explore the vast digital landscape, discover new passions, and connect with a global community. The digital world is waiting to be explored. Take the leap and unlock a world of possibilities.